Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your Messenger account, and it's actually really easy. So first of all, what you need to do is open up the Messenger app, and once you've opened it should look like this. I'm going to show your chats, and yeah, but you've probably seen no settings button, but I'm going to show you how to do that. So first, at the top left, click on these three lines here, and it's going to look like this. It's going to show your communities, and yeah, then click on this settings icon here at the top right a bit, click on it. Then it's going to show your all accounts, and you select the account you want to delete. Then what you do is scroll down, and then click on see more in account center. It's going to show your accounts, and click on accounts, and you can remove them. But if you want to delete it, what you need to do is click on personal details and account ownership and control, then click on deactivation or deletion. That's like the account you want to delete. Let's say I want to delete this one. You can select if you want to deactivate or delete the account. Just click and then click on deactivate account, let's see, or delete, continue, and then you type in your password, and yeah, that's it. I hope this video has helped you. Please like and subscribe, and have a great day.